What if the next big thing wasn't in your pocket, but right on your face? In 2025, smart glasses aren't just tech. They're your second pair of eyes, your personal AI, your portal to another world. From jaw-dropping AR magic to lenses that think for you, these are the 10 best smart glasses of 2025 you can buy right now. And trust me, number 3 will blow your mind. XREAL 1 Pro. XREAL's newest series of display glasses, called XREAL 1 and 1 Pro, cost $500 and $600 respectively, and feature beautiful micro OLED screens that can reflect your laptop or tablet screen, or playback movies and games. The ability to fix screens in place, however, so that you may spin your head around without the monitor seeming stuck to your face, is the game-changing feature. It gives the impression that a genuine display is hovering in front of you when working on a laptop. Additionally, XREAL made laptops compatible with a wider screen curved monitor mode. When wearing them, the electrochromic outer lenses can be dimmed to 3 different settings to help block out outside light. Rokid AR Spatial. Although the Rokid AR glasses are not new, this was one of the most well-executed demos I saw at CES 2025. A 300-inch Sony Micro OLED screen with 600 nits of brightness and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz is available. The virtual desktop allows you to use up to 3 screens. You may enjoy the experience without your glasses thanks to these smart AR glasses, which are the first in the world to have pupillary adjustment and intelligent myopia. The 75-gram weight of these glasses makes me happy to watch a movie on them. They establish a connection to a mobile hub that runs a proprietary operating system in order to see your spatial videos on the glasses. These also support the spatial media on the iPhone. They are now available for $640. Halliday AI Smart Glasses. With a pair of AI-powered spectacles that have features comparable to the Meta Ray-Ban, but a lighter design, Halliday unexpectedly grabbed CES 2025 by storm. End users always benefit from a wearable that is lighter and more comfortable. As you engage with the on-device AI, the Halliday glasses also feature a special on-screen display that projected textual information, including translations, notifications, incoming messages, and more. If you're, say, speaking to someone, it helps that the projection appears closer to the corner of your vision so it doesn't block your view. Nuance Audio. Nuance Audio are smart glasses with integrated hearing aids, pending FDA certification, created by EssilorLuxottica, the company behind some of the most well-known eyewear brands in the world, including Foster Grant, Oakley, and Ray-Ban. The way the glasses operate is rather simple. They use 6 microphones positioned around the frame to capture sounds and conversations around you. Then, they amplify those sounds into your ears. Nuance Audio's assistive capability is more discreet and unobtrusive due to its size factor, much like Apple's AirPods Pro 2, which acquired a hearing aid feature last fall. Users will be able to apply prescriptions by bringing the glasses to a nearby LensCrafters, Pearl Vision, or other approved merchants, according to EssilorLuxottica, and they have an 8-hour battery life rating. Charge Lumos. The Charge Lumos AI glasses can take up to 4K pictures and record 1080p films for up to 5 minutes, but I like the Ray-Ban Meta design. Although I was unable to view the video quality, the hardware felt good and weighed only 49 grams. In the event that the 450mm battery runs out during recording, the business has also produced a 6,500mAh shoulder power bank. The business claims that the speakers on the Charge Lumos are Hi-Fi compatible, and the Lumos support magnetic shades and prescription lenses as optional extras. In addition to the eye-catching translucent arm design, there is an LED indicator for privacy. These are priced at $299 and have an IP54 rating for durability, meaning they are resistant to perspiration and dust. Rokid Glasses. Unlike its earlier AR glasses, Rokid's latest release is different. They resemble the Even Reality's G1, but they also have a built-in 12MP camera for footage that looks like Ray-Ban Meta. They are comfy on the nose and weigh 49 grams. The Rokid glasses feature a screen on each of their lenses, just like the G1, except this one is positioned closer to the front. Although the company claims to provide a better user experience, I felt that it disrupted the real world throughout my brief demo. You can't see what's in front of you when it's on. You can only concentrate on the screen. The G1 screen may be triggered for a quick look, and even when it's turned on, it doesn't take center stage until it's needed. VITURE Pro. VITURE Pro isn't just a pair of high-end AR glasses. It's a full entertainment ecosystem. The stunning display is only the beginning. Pair it with VITURE's accessories, like a battery-powered dock for your Nintendo Switch or Steam Deck, and game for hours untethered. Or slip on the neck computer for hands-free browsing, streaming, and work on the go. VITURE Pro delivers jaw-dropping visuals, but with its accessory lineup, it becomes your all-day, anywhere screen. OPPO Air Glass 3. The OPPO Air Glass 3 specs are a pair of user-friendly smart glasses that integrate augmented reality and state-of-the-art artificial intelligence. Although OPPO places a lot of emphasis on showcasing the special AI features of its eyewear, it's important to remember that these glasses are more than just a way to access an AI assistant while on the go, like Meta's Ray-Bans. You can interact with 3D content on an immersive display. You can actually scroll between windows and apps using the touch panel on the right side of the device. These wireless specifications aren't standalone, though. Due to the lack of an integrated processor, you must always have them linked to another device, such your smartphone. Meta Quest Pro. Use the Meta Quest Pro VR headset to engage in a variety of virtual reality and mixed reality experiences. High-resolution sensors that allow for full-color mixed reality experiences, next-generation pancake optics, and sophisticated LCD panels that produce crisp visuals are just a few of the significant enhancements made to the Meta Quest Pro VR headset over the Meta Quest 2. With guided fit adjustment, the Meta Quest Pro boasts a stylish yet cozy design. An improved social presence is made possible by eye tracking and natural facial expressions. With all of these enhancements, the Meta Quest Pro is perfect for teamwork and much more organic VR work. Through the Meta Quest mobile app, you may access carefully chosen collections of mixed reality content, productivity tools that make your workspace come to life, and games and apps that use social presence and hand tracking. Vive Focus Vision VR Headset. With HTC's Vive Focus Vision VR headset, you can immerse yourself in fully immersive virtual worlds or overlay your environment for a mixed reality experience. With a lifelike 120 degrees field of vision, a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, up to 120 Hz in the beta DisplayPort mode, and spectacular 5K resolution, 2448 by 2448 each eye. This consumer edition headset is designed for gaming and entertainment. For more demanding games, you can utilize the Vive Focus Vision wirelessly or with your PC. You can use your hands with 26-point hand tracking precision or the supplied 6 DOF controllers to control VR or MR objects. The Vive Focus Vision's cooling system and customizable fit make it comfortable to use, and its hot swappable battery lets you continue having fun without having to wait for a recharge. Mixed reality opens up a whole new level of interaction. VR elements blend with the real world. With the help of scalable, moving monitors that hover in front of you, Vive Desk can increase your productivity. Focus Vision lets you virtually engage with the real-world surfaces and things around you by using a depth sensor. 2 high-resolution cameras that allow stereo color pass-through are used to display this overlay, producing sharp and depth-corrected pictures of the room. And that's just a glimpse of the coolest tech you can get your hands on right now. Which one's going in your cart first? Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss the next wave of mind-blowing gadgets!